Welcome back to Vlogmas. I have been busy today. I have a video that is, so I did 2 Vlogmas days together and I have that one ready. It's uploaded. I just need to do the thumbnail and the description, and then that video will go up today. And then I also have another vlog from yesterday that's gonna go up today too. And then I will be caught back up because I got behind again. But right now I am going up to my parents' house because we have to make Christmas sausage. Okay, so the dogs went crazy over nothing. I have to go up there and we are going to make Christmas sausage, and then I'm not even gonna say what else I'm gonna do today because I have no clue. For sure we're gonna make Christmas sausage, we're going to Abby's game, and she has another basketball game, and then I have to get them vlogs up on my channel tonight. Regardless of the time, they have to go up tonight. So I'm gonna do all of that, and then yeah, but I'm bringing my tripod up to my parents' house so I can vlog us making Christmas sausage. My dad only gives it to like his family, so but it's been a tradition that he's been doing forever. I mean, as long as I can remember, like, he's been doing it. So I did get my house somewhat cleaned. I mean, it's looking okay. I got that done this morning, and then I had to run to town with my mom and dad and had to mail a couple giveaway boxes. I do have one over there that I got to mail, but that's an international package, like a giveaway box. So I have to go and mail that one at a different post office. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But yeah, let's go make some Christmas sausage. Okay, a little change of plans. The meat is on the table right now, but we have to wait for it to thaw out a little bit. So in the meantime, I'm gonna be wrapping all of the Christmas presents my dad got my mom. So I'm gonna do that right now.
Turning yellow, the air is getting cold, my mind is feeling mellow, the days of fall are growing old. When I say that your arms should always be around me, come the day when the snow is falling over all we see, I wake up from a slumber to the sound of carol songs. Despite the stress that we've been under, I feel today can't turn out wrong.
Give me some gloves.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this.
What are you doing?
I gotta videotape everything.
Why?
Because I'm doing Vlogmas.
What the fuck is that?
Just don't even ask. It's better
You
than
guys
that.
put cheese in it?
Cheese? Garlic.
Always falling, all the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You let me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Are you videotaping with your camera?
Yeah. You're on camera, Mom. Wave.
Hello.
Mom, the camera's on.
You left it on the whole time?
No, I just turned it on.
You left that while we were outside.
Are you ready?
Yeah. We've been ready.
What are you doing?
Playing like a little kid.
We made a
Sausage pies.
That's a
We're
big
making sausage pies.
Don't let it run over the edges.
Oh my God, it's hot. You're never gonna be able to touch it. Okay. Is that enough?
I gotta wait till it's empty.
Dad, you're on camera.
What camera?
Right there. Up there. Dad, you're gonna be YouTube famous.
Leaves are turning yellow. The air is getting cold. My mind is feeling mellow. The days of fall are growing.
We got back from Abby's game around 7 o'clock. They won again. They are doing awesome. But yeah, I am currently uploading the vlog, today's vlog. It's like 9 o'clock at night, so this vlog is going to go up super late, but I want to get it done because tomorrow I am going to be really busy. Nico has a basketball game, the kids have Christmas play rehearsal, Maria has a Christmas party she has to go to. I have to help my dad finish doing the Christmas sausage because we did not get that all done today. And on top of all of that stuff, I want to get my house cleaned. I want to get this beauty room done for sure. And Chris and I want to, we have some ideas of things that we want to do in the boys' room. So I would like to get them tackled tomorrow too, so we can get them done. And yeah, it's going to be a busy one tomorrow. I forgot in the vlog that I put up, so I put up 2 vlogs today. One, I just hit myself. Hi. One went up earlier and then this one's going up later. The one that I put up earlier, I forgot to do an outro. So I was about to like go to the room, relax, and go to bed. But then I realized I need to get on camera. I gotta do my outro before I can go to bed. So here's my outro. Yeah, I really don't have an outro. So yeah, I just wanted to get on here, tell you guys good night. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!